All right, today we're just having a really quick look at the P8 Pro stick vacuum. This is a highly rated model that I purchased with my own money. Nice big anti-tangle vacuum head. One of the main reasons I purchased this model is it's supposed to have a really long runtime, and I can tell that's going to be no lie because the battery is heavy. This is a hefty battery. Something else that's really nice about this one, it has an adjustable neck. Nice tight click into each position. Highly adjustable for however you want to use it. Lots of different cleaning attachments. And what I like about the brush is typically this is two separate pieces that you have to find, and they have put it together into one piece. You can see that you can either have it as a flat nozzle, or if you want to use the brush function, that just pops and clicks into place. Now with all the pieces of the P8 Pro out of the box, I can show you how easy the assembly is. Here we've got the main vacuum unit. It simply empties with the little handle there on the bottom. The filter comes pre-installed, but it comes with some extra ones as well. There's a dust shield here, and then this filter piece comes out for cleaning as well. Just twists into place. And then on the front of the vacuum, you can select whatever piece you want. It locks in nice and tight. You can use it as a little handheld here. With any of the pieces, you can even attach the brush head to it if you want. If you want to use it like a mattress cleaner or potentially for the seats in your car. The battery just slides onto the bottom like this, and that's something really great about this vacuum is the battery is replaceable. So if at some point in the future it stops working, you can easily swap this out with something else. A lot of other ones like Dyson, they're built in really tight, super hard to replace the battery. And just look at how big this battery is. This is going to give us a ton of runtime. I also like how you can charge this either connected directly to the unit or separately because it's got the power plug right on the back. Here is the adjustable handle. It's got a nice aluminum finish. All of the attachments have a very satisfying click to them. They're very solid. I'm very impressed with the build quality. It even comes with a wall hanging bracket. This is where the vacuum would slide on. The back side has these little grips to attach. You can see on the battery, this is where it would grip onto the wall handle. And then you can put your extra attachments like that. Here's how it looks all the way extended. Nice and easy to use by hand. It's very lightweight. So before we run our tests, we're going to give it a full charge. And here's a neat party trick this thing can do. It can stand all by itself. That means you can put it in the corner, you can put it away in a closet, and you don't necessarily need to have it hanging on anything. It'll just do that. Or even better, shorten the handle first, and then it really gets small and out of the way.